Tambaram station is used by 52 trains. After Murray Market Complex, it is the second largest income generating station in Chennai. Tambaram is also the third busiest station in the city and is considered as one of the 4 main railway stations in Chennai. To facilitate independent travel of visually impaired persons, Braille maps have been installed at the entrance for complete guidance about the railway station. As part of the CSR initiative of Nissan Motors India with the expertise of Anuprayaas, all facilities at the railway station have been made easily accessible for visually impaired persons, persons with physical disabilities, hearing and speech impairments. Braille signages are placed at the beginning of railings and also at universal locations for universal access. Overbridges are used to provide access from one platform to another. Therefore, platform indicators and overbridge indicators have been provided with illuminated strips to make them accessible to persons with low vision and visual impairment. Standing on the overbridge, you can explore the entire Tambaram railway station premises. Nissan, with the expertise of Anuprayaas, assisted the visually impaired to reach the ticket counter from the entrance gate. Escalators are not easy to use, so appropriate braille marks have been provided at the starting and ending points of the escalators for assistance. The CSR project of accessible travelling by Nissan India Motors for visually impaired persons is indeed a boon for them. Tambaram railway station has 9 platforms and all have platform indicators installed for proper guidance. Some of them are here for reference. You can find these indicators at the starting of railings for proper guidance. Waiting areas are available at the railway station to wait for the train, and Nissan has provided access to these by providing Braille general signage to empower a person with visual disabilities. Baby feeding room is used by mothers to feed a baby. This room is a railway property and Braille signages have been installed to enhance accessibility. Divyang toilets are provided for persons with disabilities, but they can also use the nearest toilets. So Nissan has made all toilets accessible at the railway station to visually impaired persons. Male and female toilets. Generic Braille signage to empower persons with visual disabilities. Braille booklets have been made available for complete guidance of the railway station premises to the visually impaired persons. A scannable QR code is provided at significant locations in the railway station to assist people with hearing and speech impairment. The QR code redirects to a sign language YouTube video with audio and video instructions about the facilities available at the railway station. Portable ramps and wheelchairs have also been provided for the wheelchair users to board the train. Under this CSR initiative, Nissan Motors aims to provide these facilities at 45 stations pan-India, especially in Tamil Nadu. In the first phase of this project, these facilities were provided at 15 stations.